So, don't know if you've ever seen any of the sort of World War II Dig for Victory or the Victorian Kitchen Garden series with was it Harry Dodson, and they had glass cloches. Now, I just thought this year I'd try and steer clear of more plastic. So, I found a source for some reproduction glass cloches and managed to get some horticultural glass from Gumtree on the cheap. And I thought I'd try and put some cloches up this year, try and get an early sowing of peas going. So I'd see how the cloche works. So this is the frame. You start with that, and we'll go from there. See how the picture looks. So obviously, with glass, it's important to wear gloves, which I've just run off and got. And the idea is that you put the frame on the crops. And it just, provides almost like a little mini greenhouse outdoors without having to spend hundreds and hundreds of pounds. The cost on this was sort of £20 for the frame and about £14 for the glass, I think, as new. And on second hand, I think it's about £3 a pane. So it's not working out too bad. But I'll try and set this up now. You might hear me with an R in as I try and get it going, but maybe a bit of time lapse if I don't get it successfully done. So this is the spring and the handle. So gotta there's a handle. You need two of the glass holders as well. So apparently the goes in first, and it takes as a barn cloche. You can apparently make it into an A-frame, but that requires bending the main frame. So I don't think we'll just go for A-frames, although that would be more cost effective in terms of glass. So here we are. These are, I think it's 2 foot by 1 foot. So that's number 1. They rest on there. It's that way. I think it has to be that way, doesn't it? Because was it that way? Nope, because that wouldn't hold anything back, would it? Well, that's interesting. See if we can get a pane on there before it falls over. I think I might have to spread that out some. Last one. See if it works. Yep, fucking slice my finger. Great. Aha. I think That is nearly it. I think for this width, I'm going to need to splay it out a little bit more. I did try and get these measured as suggested by the instructions, so we're very close. The spring has to be, I think, a bit up to be able to accommodate the pitch of the roof on it, but that's not, sorry, the glass is absolutely lethal as well, so just do definitely wear gloves, but that is very close to what I want. So yeah, we'll try and see if we can pitch that open a bit more. Try it on the grass, see if we can't even it out a bit. See where we are with that one. That's a bit better. I get the feeling that this glass is a bit too long. Aha. There we go. A little bit of jiggling. There we go. There we go. I've got it now. Yeah, a little bit of jiggly pokery. There we go. That's it. So the spring has to be up, and there's a little bit of give, and it's much better to do it on the grass, and I would say, and then put it onto the ground then after that. But that's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah. So well, it's quite sturdy, and then the idea is you put your cloche over your crops, and then finish it off with a piece of glass on the end, and then a bamboo cane. But yeah, really happy with that. Yeah, so that's 101 putting up a glass cloche. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up. Managed to come out intact with all fingers, so I think that deserves a thumbs up rather than a thumb loss. Thanks for watching. Bye.